Assalamualaikum. We are back again with a new recipe.
Yes.
And this time we made jalebi.
Yes. In Bangladesh we call it Jilapi. It's a very common item during iftar in Bangladesh. And it's one of our favorites as well. We used to go out and get this sweet dessert sometimes, but since it's a lockdown, so we decided to make it at home. And we really like how it turned out. So if you like the recipe, do follow and do comment.
And please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys.
To make jalebi, you need 200 grams of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 400 grams of sugar. I have grinded 3 cardamoms over here, a pinch of color, and we like to garnish our jalebi, so I have grinded some pistachios over here. As a first step, we'll make the sugar syrup. We'll put all the 400 grams of sugar, and then we will add 1 cup of water. Put 2 slices of lemon just for the flavor. Alright, it will give a nice flavor of lemon. Sugar syrup has started boiling. Sometimes some sugar, once you boil it, you will find some kind of dirt floating around. To take out that dirt, you just need 1 tablespoon of milk. So once it's boiling, you can pour the milk in it, and soon you will see it's frothing. Once the froth comes, you can see all the dirt will be stuck in the froth, and it's easy to remove it. Sugar syrup is frothing. I will strain it over here. You can strain directly from here, but for now I'll just strain it over here. You don't really need to strain it outside the bowl, but I just did it. It's easier for me. So I'll transfer the syrup in the bowl again. Once it's boiling, I will put my color in it. And you have to keep stirring. I will add the last ingredient for the sugar syrup is my grinded cardamoms. It will give a nice fragrance to the jalebis. Our syrup is ready. I'll just keep it in a low flame until we fry our jalebis.
Now we're gonna make the batter for jalebi. For that I'm gonna add maida and some baking powder. I took a cup of water, but let's see how much we need. We'll do step by step. I'm going to use the hand mixer to make it easy. If you don't have, you can use this one. So I'm going to mix it now. Batter has to mix very well. Shouldn't have any bubbles. It's done. It should be like this, like a paste. Our batter is ready. Now I'm gonna take a Ziploc bag. I already took for me, so it's like this. I'm gonna pour all the batter into this Ziploc bag. Once it's done, just zip the bag. You make like a cone shape, and you just have to cut it from one of the side, very small. That's it. So I kept a pan, and I'm going to put a medium flame. I put some oil in it. Should be good enough. Once it's hot, I'm gonna add jalebis here. is.
You know, the way you're doing it looks so easy. Tell me, is it really easy how you're doing?
It's not easy. By practice, it will be easy. It's not that hard also. Just like this.
I wish I could do circles like this as well.
Another tip, then that's the time that you can start heating up our syrup, like in a very low flame. So the syrup should be always hot. And one tip I'm gonna give, like the moment you take out the jalebi, no need to wait for it. Quickly you put it. Then you just hold it like this.
You have to dip it inside.
Yeah, so it's like.
How long we should keep it inside?
I usually do like until another one, when we are preparing other one. Until then I keep it.